This song is called Beyond the Brooklyn Bridge. Davey, once he had made contact with some of the gangs, was one who became aware of the fact that there were particular types of gangs that were some of the worst gangs in New York City at the time, and one of those gangs was the Mau Mau's. But in order to meet these individuals, he was going to have to go across the Brooklyn Bridge. And here there is a number of different characters that are actually singing this song, but this prepares him to go to the entrance point with the gang.
Life that's found